Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you how I make my edible heel, and I'm using pink chocolate today, and I have my Wilton's Candy Melts. I have just a little bit left in here, and I also added in some of the, I think it's Paramount crystals. Actually I need to get more. So that's the bowl, and I just add those so I can thin out the chocolate, that way it can move around a lot more. So I'm going to melt this chocolate, and then I'm going to come back, and then we're going to do our first coat. Alright guys, so we're back, and I have my chocolate melted. You can see how it's got a nice consistency. It's a little runny, and I make it better coating in the shoe. And I also let it sit for a couple minutes so it wouldn't be too hot, because I'm going to put the first coat in the refrigerator, and then we'll coat it a second time and put it back in the refrigerator so it can get hardened. Alright, so here's my shoe, and it's magnetic. I actually got this from Amazon like 2 years ago. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to pour my chocolate in. And what we're going to do, you're just going to move it around. And just make sure you cover every little inch of the heel. Try not to spill it. Oops. See, like that. It's easy to spill it. Get a napkin and wipe that off. Because you want to make sure that you don't have anything covering the top, because it might crack it once you try and pop it out. Alright, so I have everything covered. And then if you have extra chocolate in there, you can just dump that out. And just make sure your sides are cleaned. And then we're going to put this in a refrigerator for a couple minutes until it gets hardened, and then we'll be back. So we are back, and here's the shoe out of the refrigerator. This is the second coat. So what we're going to do is pop this open in the back here. And there you have it. And a lot of people decorate this up. You can put anything on it, really. I'm going to put some white pearls on it, and I'm going to fill it with some chocolate covered strawberries. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.